Okay, before I get into the following video, I just want to point something out really fast. When you're watching this video, this is the Bitcoin that I had in my wallet. At the time, it was worth $118. Now, only a few days later, what I'm getting at is it's appreciated to $143. So you have to consider when you're using the app that I'm going to recommend, it's not just that your rewards are at a fixed rate. It's that because the rewards are in an asset that right now is appreciating in value, you can actually end up earning more longer term. That's all I wanted to point out. Now let's get on with the video. Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from amassers.com. I'm back with another hopefully quick little video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite little browser extensions. It's called Lolli, and I use this extension pretty regularly. What it is it allows you to get cash back when you're just shopping at the usual places that you would shop at anyway, and you can get some cash back in Bitcoin, and then you can withdraw that Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet, or you can withdraw the cash back to the bank, your bank. I'm using it to withdraw Bitcoin to my Bitcoin wallet. So let's just dive right in and look at it. Right here you can see that I've actually amassed just by shopping. I've just been shopping and using this browser extension to get my rewards, and I've got $118 here, which is the equivalent of 0.004375 Bitcoin. Bitcoin in and of itself has been appreciating. So, you want to think about it like this, or at least this is how I think about it. One of the things that really helps transfer what you're doing financially is to learn to try and put some capital, some money, into something that's going to appreciate in value rather than depreciate in value. So right now Bitcoin is appreciating and the price is going up pretty regularly, and as I left my rewards in here just on the appreciating price of Bitcoin, my money was already going up. So but I'm going to move this out of that wallet and into another wallet I keep on my computer. But the point is, you may say, well, I don't know, I don't shop that much, or how long will it be for me to get even just to this little $100? But you'll be surprised at all of the places that you're shopping at anyway, and all you have to do is just enable this little extension. It's really easy to install, and go ahead and get that free Bitcoin. And no matter what the particular shop is paying, let's say you get $5 in Bitcoin today, and Bitcoin appreciates 100 to 120% in a year. I'm purely speculating now, and this isn't financial advice, but I'm just looking at things from a historical perspective. That's not impossible. So that goes back to what I was talking about, of getting money into vehicles that are going to appreciate in value. And that's what's great about Lolli. You can shop at places you were going to shop at anyway. You can get Bitcoin in the price that Bitcoin is at. You can just huddle it in your wallet. It's Bitcoin that you've got completely for free, and it may still appreciate in value even more. Also, Lolli has a great little invitation program where if you join using my link, obviously you'll be helping the channel, but you'll also get $10 free credits yourself as well. The minimum to withdraw out of Lolli is just $15. So you'll be 2/3 of the way there by just using my referral link that I'm going to include in the description of this video. Let's go through and look at some things on Lolli. You can see a lot of places here: bookings.com, Bloomingdale's. I've been there. It's pretty pricey, so whatever they're offering 7%. You know, you could get a Bitcoin there in a year easy. Udemy, Master and Dynamite, I'm not familiar with them. Adidas, for those trying to up their shoe game. And where's someplace I go here all the time, pretty regularly. I'm going to Chewy. Inside of the website and also inside of the extension, you can find the supported sites, and you just click on shop, and then it's going to put up that message alerting you that you're going to a site that supports Lolli. And you're going to see here, right here, you can see in the browser extension, it's turned green. So at this point, I'm activated, and all I have to do is just shop like I usually would. Here, I'm using Chewy as an example because I come here a lot for my terrier, and they make a fortune off me. But it's so simple and so easy to get completely, absolutely free Bitcoin by just using the Lolli app like this. And there are tons and tons. I think there are over 800 stores currently inside of here that will allow you to get different varying amounts of a discount by just using the Lolli extension. So that's really all I had, guys. Just a quick little idea to get you some free Bitcoin. It does take like when I make a purchase, to make sure the stores will often have a holding period that's something like 30. Most of them have been 30 days or less for me. And then you'll get your Bitcoin credited, and you just can click your claim here and withdraw it to your external wallet or wherever, if you want to use your bank or whatever. But I've been withdrawing Bitcoin to an external wallet, and of course just adding it to what I'm hodling. Hope this has been a really informative video. Once again, guys, if we've helped you, please help us. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please support the channel if you can by using the referral link that's in the description. It's a great way to help the channel. It's completely free. In fact, you'll get $10 just for installing the Lolli extension, and the channel will also get a little $10 of support as well. See you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers lolli.com.